Hello everyone, welcome to the VEGANFAST family, where we uncover the secrets to living your best life. Today we have an intriguing, thrilling, and slightly hilarious adventure that involves a mango. But not just any mango. Oh no, my friends, this is the magic mango of wellness. So what's the deal with this mango? Guess. Legend has it that this mango has superpowers. It can boost your energy, clear your skin, and even make your hair grow faster. And it's all because of its magical properties. Or is it? Our journey begins at the local farmers market here in Durham. We have stumbled upon this mystical fruit. Take a look. Take a look. Look at it. Doesn't it just scream, eat me, eat me? I'll change your life. But there's a catch. You have to eat it after doing a water fast and then continue practicing a raw vegan lifestyle. It's time to put the magic mango to the test. Will it really live up to its hype? Let's take a bite. Guys, you won't believe this. It's actually just a mango. But wait, there's more to the story. You see, the true magic isn't in the mango itself. It's in the journey we take together towards health and wellness. It's about embracing a raw vegan lifestyle, hydrating our body with pure water, and finding joy in the simplest things like a delicious mango. And here's a tip. If your friends think you're crazy for eating a mango like it's a magical fruit, just tell them you are part of a secret society of wellness warriors. So, VEGANFAST family, are you ready to embark on your wellness adventure? Leave a comment below if you love mangoes, or tell us your favorite raw vegan snack. Subscribe if you believe in magic or just really good health. And remember, it's not about the magic in a mango, it's about the magic in you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep spreading those good vibes. Until next time, keep it raw vegan and keep water fasting.